In the constantly evolving geopolitical landscape of the 21st century, the Middle East remains a volatile hotspot, drawing international attention and involvement. With the region embroiled in complex political and military conflicts, understanding the dynamics is crucial. Sponsored by Conflict of Nations, a strategy game that immerses players in modern global warfare, this analysis explores the intricate dance of alliances, military strategies, and political maneuvers that define today's Middle Eastern conflicts. The changing face of warfare. Modern warfare has transcended traditional battlefields, integrating advanced military technology and strategic alliances that span continents. Players in Conflict of Nations experience this firsthand by controlling a nation and engaging with up to 128 players, utilizing a range of military units from stealth fighters to nuclear submarines. This game mirrors real-world strategies where movements and decisions unfold in real time, emphasizing the complexity and duration of modern military engagements. The Middle East, a tense nexus. Currently, the Middle East is witnessing renewed tensions, primarily influenced by Iran's support for various pro-Islamic paramilitary groups. This support has positioned Iran in direct opposition to Israel, significantly straining the latter's security environment. The United States, a long-standing ally of Israel, finds itself at a crossroads, with its recent political shift towards reducing its military footprint, as evidenced by the withdrawal from Afghanistan. This nuanced stance reflects a broader strategy aimed at stabilizing the region without overt engagement. Historical context and evolution. The United States-Iran relationship has undergone significant transformations. Post-World War II, the nations were allies, with economic and military agreements bolstering their ties. However, the 1979 Islamic Revolution marked a drastic shift, redefining Iran's political ideology and its international alignments. Since then, Iran has actively supported paramilitary groups in the Middle East, aiming to reshape the political landscape to its favor, particularly against Israel and United States interests. Proxy warfare and regional stability. Iran's influence extends through various proxies such as the Houthis in Yemen, Hezbollah in Lebanon, and Shiite militias in Iraq and Syria. These groups have become central to Iran's strategy of indirect engagement against Israel. For example, the Houthis, despite their geographical separation from Israel, pose a significant threat through missile attacks facilitated by Iran, targeting key Israeli infrastructures like the Red Sea port of Eilat. The strategic importance of Golan Heights. The Assad regime in Syria, another Iranian ally, highlights the strategic complexity of the region. The ongoing Syrian civil war has limited Assad's immediate threats to Israel. However, the historical contention over the Golan Heights remains a critical point. The area's strategic importance cannot be understated, serving as a vantage point and a potential flashpoint in the Syrian-Israeli conflict. Hezbollah represents a formidable force in Lebanon, heavily armed and ideologically driven. Its proximity to Israel and its significant military capability, including an arsenal of missiles, positions it as a critical player in the region's security dynamics. Hezbollah's actions could escalate conflicts quickly, threatening not just military targets but also critical infrastructure like Israel's natural gas facilities and water desalination plants. The intricate web of alliances, proxy engagements, and the strategic significance of geographical locations like the Golan Heights and Red Sea ports underline the complex nature of Middle Eastern politics. The international community, including major powers like the United States and regional actors like Saudi Arabia, continues to navigate these turbulent waters, often resulting in actions that have far-reaching implications on global trade and security. Understanding these dynamics enriches the experience of playing Conflict of Nations, where strategy, timing, and alliances dictate success or failure. For viewers interested in delving deeper into these conflicts, engaging with the game provides a hands-on understanding of the strategic decisions that shape real-world geopolitics. As we continue to monitor these developments, the importance of strategic engagement, both in gaming and in real-world analysis, remains paramount. Explore these themes further by engaging with Conflict of Nations, and grasp the complexities of modern global warfare. Remember, infographics show. Viewers can claim a special gift to enhance their gaming experience, but this offer is only available for a limited time. Now, as we reflect on the potential outcomes and continuations of these conflicts, consider watching further analyses such as what would happen if the USA and Iran went to war, to deepen your understanding of military and strategic comparisons in contemporary global context.